Namaste students, I am Jayoti Dr. Aziz Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Nutrition Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic three domains of life. It is the continuous part of the previous lecture and the three domains of life. In this video I am going to discuss about the bacteria and the eukarya. The two domains, bacteria and the eukarya. The first one was discussed in the last video lecture, that was archaea, and the second one is the bacteria. Bacteria are the organism, they are the microorganisms which are highly found in the earth. They are most abundant life form on the earth, and they have the largest type of diversity on the earth. Bacteria are prokaryotic in nature, means their cellular life form is prokaryotic. The cell is prokaryotic type, means they do not have a clear nuclei. They do not have a nucleus. They do not have a clear nuclear membrane. So that's why they are known as the prokaryotic. Bacteria are unicellular in nature, means only one single cell is found in the whole organism. They are different from each other by cell wall, means they have only one single cell which is separated. They have RNA, they have DNA, and they have one polymerase enzyme. So they are very diverse group of organisms which are found on the earth, and they are prokaryotic in nature. Bacteria have cell wall, means the cell wall is composed of the peptidoglycan. Bacterial cell wall is composed of the peptidoglycan. What is the peptidoglycan? Peptidoglycan is the outer most layer, which is a carbohydrate molecule, and cell wall is the outermost layer which protects the bacteria from the any kind of hazardous and harmful environment. Means they will protect the bacteria from the harsh conditions of the environment. They will protect the bacteria from entering water or exiting water. They will help bacteria from shrinkage. They will help bacteria for the entering of the water. So these are the covering protecting layer, and in bacteria this protecting layer, that is cell wall, it is composed of the peptidoglycan. Okay, in archaea it was composed of the pseudopeptidoglycan, and peptidoglycan is composed of the two things, N-acetyl muramic acid and N-acetyl glucosamine, NAM and NAG, two things. Auto, they are autotropic in nature, and they are heterotropic in nature. Both category are found in the bacteria. Uh, Autotropic means the organism which can synthesize their own food by them all. Those are known as the autotrophic. Like plants can synthesize their own food. Okay, and bacteria also can. Some of the bacteria, not all, only few group can synthesize their own food. They are phototropic bacteria. And the heterotropics. Heterotropic means the bacteria which are dependent on the other life forms for their nutrition, and they do not synthesize their own food. They are known as the heterotrophic. Okay, so there are both type of varieties found in the bacteria, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Bacteria are pathogenic for various life forms. There can be chances that bacteria are pathogenic. Okay, and they can be non-pathogenic. For example, in human, pathogenic bacteria are also found, and non-pathogenic bacteria are also found. The pathogenic bacteria cause disease, and non-pathogenic bacteria do not cause disease. And in human, symbiotic relationship, okay, symbiotic relationship is found in which some bacterial groups live as a normal microbial flora. Okay, so there are normal microbial flora, and they are not pathogenic. They are beneficial for us. But some bacteria are pathogenic in nature. So in life forms, in environment, all the possibilities are there. Bacteria have various shapes and they have various sizes. Okay, means bacteria have coccus, bacteria have bacillus, bacteria have spiral, bacteria have comma shapes. So these are the various shapes, and the size is also different for all kind of some bacterial species. The round shaped bacteria that are spherical, they are known as the coccus. Okay, if two coccus are combined to each other, then they are known as the diplococcus. If two diplococcus combined to each other, then this is known as the tetrad. If two tetrad combine to each other, then this is known as the charcin. If the coccus are found in the chain, it is known as the streptococcus. And if they are found in the bunches, then they are known as the staphylococcus. If they are found in this kind of varieties, they can be found in other life forms like uh, they are also found in the shape of bacillus, rod shape. The bacillus is the rod shape bacteria. Coma shape means the bacteria are also found in the coma shape. Okay, and example include the vibrio. Similarly, they are also found in the spiral shape, that is found in the spirulum spiral. Okay, the next kingdom, next domain is the domain eukarya. We know that eukarya are the largest group of organism, and their life cellular form is very well developed than other group of microorganisms. And there are mm, minor group, but they are very well developed because their life because their life because their life form is very well developed. But very well developed organism are takes very long time. uh, we can say that for development, living world need time. Okay, and the time requires by a living organism is less. If there are they take time, then the number is very very less. So the number of microorganisms is very larger compared to higher group of organisms. So the eukaryotic are very well developed, and they are less in amount. Eukaryotic cells have true nucleus. Okay, they have true nucleus means the nucleus is very well developed. The form, the cell is very well developed. They are found both in the unicellular, and they are found also in the multiple cellular organism. Means if one single cell is found, then they are known as the unicellular, and if multiple cells combine to each other, then all the groups will be known as the multicellular organism. These eukaryotic have double helix DNA. Okay, they have double helical DNA. This helical DNA is also found in the bacteria and the archaea. So DNA is double helical. In eukaryotic, all the living organisms do not contain cell wall. Okay, cell wall is found not only in the animals. It is not found in the animals, and similarly, it is not found in the some protozoans. So, cell wall is by found in the all kind of eukaryotic organism, except in some uh, animals and in some protozoans. And the cell wall is present. It is made up of cellulose, or it is found like chitin. These two are also carbohydrates. Eukaryotic organisms are autotrophic in nature, okay, and they are also heterotrophic. The example include the plants are the autotrophic in nature, and the rest of the organism are heterotrophic organisms. Plants synthesize their own food by the process of the photosynthesis, and the rest of the organism are dependent on the plants and also some other living organisms like parasites like saprophytes. So they are heterotrophic. What are the parasites? Parasites are the organisms which are found in the living organism. Those are known as the parasite, and the saprophyte are the organisms which are found on the dead decaying substances. They are organic compounds, and the saprophytes are found on the organic compounds which is decaying, which is non-living. So they are mostly found in the soil. Some of the eukaryotic organisms are pathogenic in nature, and some of the eukaryotes are non-pathogenic. Okay, means they have some toxins, and some of them do not produce any kind of toxins. The cellular life form is very well developed, so the organisms are larger. Okay, they are larger, and the cell structure is very complex than the bacteria and the archaea. So they have complex structure, and their body organization is also very well developed. They are larger in cellular as well as they are larger in the body organization. So this is the summary of the domain system of the life. The three domains of the system was put by the term term was coined by the Carl Lewis in 1990, and this is the archaea. Archaea are the first organism, and they are prokaryotic in nature, and they do not have nuclei. They are unicellular. They have RNA, and they have pseudopeptidoglycan. They do not have peptidoglycan. They have pseudopeptidoglycan. They have cell wall, and they are autotrophic, and some of them are heterotrophic. A similar thing is found in the bacteria and the eukarya, that all the organisms are not autotrophic and all the organisms are not heterotrophic. They are found in different shapes. Now come to the bacteria. Bacteria include cyanobacteria and the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. The bacteria are the most abundant life form on the earth, and the prokaryotes. They are prokaryotes which do not have nuclei. They are unicellular. They have cell wall which is composed of the peptidoglycan. They are of two types, gram positive and gram negative. They are autotrophic, and they are also heterotrophic in nature, and some of them are pathogenic, some of them are non-pathogenic and found in all of the environment. Uh, they have various shapes and they have various types of sizes, which I have already discussed. Uh, the eukaryotic are the largest largest group of organization in the size, on the basis of the size, and the eukaryotic represent in the tiny amount, and they are they are eukaryotic means they have clear nucleus, and they are unicellular, and they are also multicellular. They have a double helix DNA, and Some of them contain cell wall and some of them cannot contain cell wall. Like humans do not have cell wall. They are pathogenic, they are also non-pathogenic. The two categories are found in eukaryotic. Like some protozoans are eukaryotic, okay. Some fungus are also found as the pathogenic. Humans are non-pathogenic. Protozoans are pathogenic, okay. Algae are non-pathogenic. So these are the possibilities. These are the diagrams. So my lecture is over here. If you have any query, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Thank you very much.